In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a PNG file in Affinity Designer. We're going to take a PNG you've already placed in your document and quickly shift it to a new color using Affinity Designer's built-in tools. This approach is non-destructive, so you can fine-tune the result at any time without damaging your original image. Start by selecting the image. Click directly on the PNG on your canvas so you see the bounding box and handles appear. If nothing happens, glance at your layers panel to make sure you're clicking the correct layer, not a background or a group above it. Getting a solid selection here is important because the adjustment we're about to add will target whatever is selected. Next, look along the bottom of the interface for the Adjustments button. It's the gateway to Affinity Designer's color tools. Click Adjustments to open the list. This is where you'll find options that let you alter color, tone, and contrast on the fly. Because your PNG layer is selected, the adjustment you choose will automatically apply to that image, which keeps everything nice and organized. From the Adjustments list, click HSL. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Lightness, and it's perfect for quick recoloring. The HSL panel will appear, and you'll see sliders for each of those three properties. Think of Hue as the color wheel. It rotates all the colors in your image to a new position. Saturation controls how vivid or muted the colors are, and lightness adjusts how bright or dark the result looks. Now, adjust the color slider to achieve the look you want. Start with the hue slider and make slow, deliberate moves. Small shifts often produce cleaner, more natural results, while big jumps can create dramatic, stylized color changes. If the new color feels a bit flat, nudge the saturation up to add intensity. If it's too punchy, pull saturation down to soften it. Use lightness to fine-tune brightness so details don't get lost when you change hue. Keep an eye on edges and semi-transparent areas. PNG transparency is preserved, so only the visible pixels will change color. If your PNG is mostly gray or near black, you may need a stronger saturation boost to see a difference, but avoid pushing it so far that banding or artifacts appear. As you slide, watch the canvas in real time and settle on the exact tone that suits your design. When you're satisfied, you're done. Your PNG now sports a fresh color, and you can revisit the HSL settings anytime for quick tweaks.